Mr. Know-It-All, and I am sharing with you the easy way to garden when you have horrible soil like I have here in Florida. And it is February 20th, and I am out planting my sprouts that I started in the window. And these are cucumbers, pickled cucumbers, and I am going to now plant some zucchini. I'm going to overload that bag with 3 plants. I know they might crowd each other out, but we're going to go for it and see what happens. And then we're going to plant some Swiss chard in these bags. So let me get back, show you. I have an extra bag down there. And those are the olive trees, and we have pretty much direct sunlight today. As you can see, that sun is a beast. I'm in shorts and nothing else today other than shoes, sandals, shoes, whatever you want to call them. But all you have to do, and this is so simple, because you take the bottom of the bag and you put about 10 slits in the bag with your handy dandy razor knife. Then that allows it to drain. And here, all you have to do is put a slit here, and then one this way. So all you do is slit the bag like this into a cross shape, and then you just take this, fold it back in. This way no weeds get in there, and the potting soil feeds them. You can add a little Miracle-Gro to them if you want, and then you just dig this up and plant your plant in it. It drains out of the bottom, it gets all the nutrients it needs, and it's protected from the weeds, because the weeds here, I don't know how it is, you till the ground and they pop up everywhere. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, just a quick little video on making your garden job much easier. And you can set these up on a skid if you want, however you want to do it, but this works really good. I think you're going to love it. All right, Mr. Know-It-All back. It has been exactly 45 days. 45 days to get us back on track since we put these bags down and put the zucchini, cucumbers in the bags, and then I'll show you the Swiss chard. But look at this, 45 days exactly. But look at this zucchini down here. This is ready to eat. We're going to be eating that tonight. That's my hand, how big it is. But look how big these leaves are. These are huge. There is a ton of zucchini on this plant. Look at all the blossoms. So we're going to pick this one right now. And here's the cucumbers. And remember, you want to plant your cucumbers every 6 weeks, get your sprouts going, because they don't last very long. And when the this is a pickle cucumber plant, so when they get to the size you want, make sure you're pulling them off there, and that'll keep reproducing. But here's some of the cucumbers. They're little buggers, just little babies, but once they get to the size we need, we'll pull them off. Let's go look at the Swiss chard. But that system works like a charm, especially here in Florida, because the weeds just come out of nowhere. All right, here's some Swiss chard that we started last year, and we kept them warm through the winter. Doesn't get cold here, but you just cut them down. So you take the leaves off, and they'll keep reproducing leaves. But these are the ones that we did in the bag here, and they're pretty good size. We noticed that the Miracle-Gro bags do a little bit better, so we're going to be going with those. These Vogoro, I think they are. They're all right, and those are doing good, but they should be a little bit bigger. Hope this helps you guys and gals. Mr. Know-It-All out.